This Scratch video looks at how you can clone sprites without having to use the duplicate tool. So let's jump in and clone my cat sprite now. I'll go into my control setting and I'll go and grab my repeat block. Then I'll scroll down a little bit further and create clone of myself. Grab that code block and nest it in between my repeat block. What's the event trigger? I can use when the green flag is clicked, or I can use when this sprite is clicked. So I'll just go and select when green flag is clicked. So basically what I'm saying here is when I click onto my green flag, I want you to clone myself 10 times. So let's go ahead and click my green flag to see. All right, so can you see the clone of the cat sprite? Well, it's cloned itself 10 times so quickly that you haven't had a chance to see it all being cloned. But if you go over to your cat and start moving them out, you should be able to see 10 clones of the cat sprite appearing. And this is how you can clone your sprites in Scratch using the Create Clone of Myself code block.